In this video, we're going to take a quick look inside the Affiliate Oracle. I'm going to do a review and talk about my personalized bonus for picking this up. Hey, I'm Gary Baker with 30minutemarketing.net. Let's get into the Affiliate Oracle. Okay, so here we are. Once you purchase the Affiliate Oracle, you'll get inside your members area here, and you'll see that you'll have access to the Affiliate Oracle. Now, these other two are upsells, the conversion point, and YouTube's ad mastery. We'll cover that as soon as we take a look at the Affiliate Oracle. So you'll go ahead and you'll click Start, and you'll go right into the members area. And once you're inside the members area, you can see that the creator of this product, Payne, has done a great job of putting things in a logical order. So it starts off with a welcome and introduction. This is just basically housekeeping. Welcome to the course. And then you move into philosophy to your audience. Now, this is the key right here and what makes the Affiliate Oracle different than any other affiliate marketing training that you may be doing right now or may have done in the past. And this is one of the things when I was speaking with Adam, Adam gave me access to this. I said to myself, the Affiliate Marketing Oracle, great, right? Another affiliate marketing course, okay? But what makes this different? Well, the philosophy to your audience is what makes this difference. This idea inside of the Affiliate Oracle and the way that Adam approaches affiliate marketing to be focused and or customer centric, to have the idea and the concept that you're presenting your affiliate offers to your customer to make their life better. So again, this is the key to the Affiliate Oracle. It's about doing things right, treating others how you want to be treated. Of course, you'll go ahead and if you click in there, you'll see that you'll have a video right there, becoming a fiduciary to your tribe. And Adam's going to walk you through exactly what that means about building your tribe and being that fiduciary. Okay, so then, of course, once you go into the next section inside the Affiliate Oracle, you'll see that he'll cover some tools that are needed as well, which is really good stuff. And then this is huge, choosing your niche, because just as it says here, there are thousands of niche, but you don't need to be an expert. You do need some knowledge. If you don't have that knowledge, then you'll need to go out and you'll need to gain that knowledge, and then you'll need to present that knowledge to your audience. He goes into domain, talking about branding, basic website infrastructure setup. Just like he says here, boring but essential. The key here is this isn't going to walk you through installing WordPress and all that, but it's going to take you through the essentials of what you need. So the basic pages, legal pages, it's going to walk through the plugins that he uses and the ones he recommends, setting up all your pixels to include Facebook and Google, Cloudflare, this is all for SSL, WordFence for securing and protecting your WordPress installation if you choose to go with a WordPress site, Google Tag Manager, Google Analytics, and of course, adding all your tracking codes and pixels. So he covers all that, going in the Google console, basically how to see where your traffic's coming from, high level review, preview into all that, site maps for indexing on Google as well as indexing on Bing. So he's got you covered there. Again, boring but essential. So he covers that. And then of course, you'll be able to move on. Of course, you'll see here in the sections, he does that into basic website infrastructure, and then we'll go ahead and we'll go back to the previous section to Affiliate Oracle. So we'll hop right back real quick, and we'll take a look at the next stage after we set up the website infrastructure. He takes you through choosing something to promote. This is how to go about. Once you select your niche up here, you actually need to go and you need to find products inside that niche. Setting up review sites, tracking, again, it's geeky but essential, right? You want to be able to track when someone clicks on your link and where that link was out there in the, out there in the cloud and the internet. So he covers some landing pages, gives you some good tips on how to interact with your potential tribe, your customers, your audience once they click on your pages. Of course, if they click on your landing page, a thank you page, how he adds that little bit of trust with this thank you page. And then he even moves into email marketing. So once you get your offers out there and then you get people on your email list, how to build trust with email. Again, associating, how to do it the right way when you build your tribe, being that fiduciary. He takes you into traffic. Now this traffic, he's going to take a look inside of Facebook ads and talk about building your list with Facebook ads. This is a real campaign that he ran and is running, so you'll be able to see that, and he'll walk you through it. Creating Facebook profits bonus. This is one of the bonus modules as far as extending your reach and building your community. Once people find out about you and your products and your message, putting them in a Facebook group, that type of thing, communicating with them, taking it to the next step of building that tribe. He has proof right here that he's not making it up. He shows you inside a $10,000 case study that he did. This is really good information, as well as he wraps it up really well, and he takes you through what's the next step. Once you've gone through all this and now you're ready, what's the next step to, being successful at affiliate marketing? So that's a quick look inside of the Affiliate Marketing Oracle course. Of course, when you land on the membership site, if you buy the Affiliate Oracle, you'll have access to that. There are some upsells, which I'll show you in a second. Conversion point and YouTube mastery. The thing about it is the Affiliate Oracle goes live February 26th. You'll see the front end here. The Affiliate Oracle, as we just walked through, is $27. There is an OTO, or one-time offer, or an upsell for a conversion point of $47. That's more in-depth email training. He has a case study in there as well. Let me show you inside that real quick inside the conversion point. Small list, big profits is the idea here. He takes you through, shows you the big picture, talks about writing up follow-up emails here in a series. He takes you through all that. He has another case study here where he walks you through actual promotion that he did, where he got 80% conversions and actually won a contest for a popular IM product that he was an affiliate for. He even has a reptilian brain bonus here where he talks about little known techniques for pushing pain points to make more sales. And then, of course, he wraps this one up as well and walks you right through that. So that'll be $47 for that. That'll be a decision you can make when you're going. If you're struggling with email marketing and you think that that's something that you want to do, which in my opinion you should, go ahead, pick that up, $47. YouTube ad mastery. Now this one, if you think or you are currently doing a YouTube channel and you're going to move into paid traffic, you want to go ahead and you want to pick that one up. Of course, you'll be able to walk through that as soon as you get inside the members area. Now let's talk about the Affiliate Oracle and what it is. So when you land on the sales page, before you buy it, you're going to get to this section. And this section of the sales page really drives home the point of why I'm doing the review for the Affiliate Oracle. As you know, 30minutemarketing.net, I have this same type of approach, these same thoughts of doing support for my customers and building a tribe. So Affiliate Oracle is a different way of approaching affiliate marketing. It says right here, talks about having small lists, being ethical, and making that small list profitable while being ethical. Talks about struggling newbies do, right? They buy short-term hacks and loopholes. They're always looking for that shiny object. They try to do everything by themselves. They choose easy over hard and fast over slow. It's constantly a feeling of overwhelm, and that drives you to treat everything like a hobby because the overwhelm and everything seems so hard, so you just push everything to the back burner and it never becomes a real business, which affiliate marketing can be a true lucrative business if done right. So just like I said, what Affiliate Oracle people do, and when I read this, you could replace that sentence with what 30-minute marketers do. They invest in themselves. They outsource what they cannot do. They're committed, they're consistent. They get brilliant. They focus, right? Intense focus on one thing and get great at it. And they treat things like a business, meaning that this is a business. This is what you're trying to do. You're trying to build a business. So it says right here, the difference between a hobby that bobs in the ocean and predictable life-changing revenue. The way that Affiliate Oracle teaches is not sexy. It's not fancy. There are no crazy funnels or complicated tech. It's just based on age-old principles. An emphasis on delivering real, sustained value over time to a group of customers you care about. Now, I'm here telling you this because I believe in this approach. I also believe in the approach that Payne has taken inside the Affiliate Oracle. So while everything is inside the affiliate Oracle, as you see here, the first one at $27, of course, Conversion Point and the YouTube Ads Mastery are just next steps. They're extensions. They're deeper dives into more of the things that you will want to do later on inside of affiliate marketing. So they're not required training. Just the affiliate Oracle is all you need. And inside here, Adam has put everything in order, and he's provided everything you need. So when it comes to a bonus, if you pick this up, the only thing that I can give you is myself, meaning my time. So there will be 3 bonuses. One bonus will be a set of checklists to do affiliate marketing that basically take you step by step and give you the ability to check off things as you do them to make sure you're following all the steps. So I have those that I'm going to give you. I'm also going to give you one time. I have access to a database with over 3,000 different products and programs that you can promote as an affiliate. So once you have your niche, or you find your niche and you want to, you can go ahead, you can contact me. I'll give you access. I'll give you the links to access so you can review all those affiliate programs and products, give you a little bit of a shortcut to, down here where Adam talks about choosing something to promote. I can give you a little bit of shortcut by linking you to all those products and programs that are out there that are available inside of a specific niche. All you have to do is contact me after you purchase, and again after you've chosen your niche, and I'll give you that. And then the last bonus for picking up the affiliate Oracle through my link is, as I said myself, I'll give you 1 hour of my time to discuss strategy, talk about affiliate marketing, setting up, the tools that you need, going over philosophy, just anything you need to or want to talk about, bounce ideas off of me. So that's it. That's a quick look inside the affiliate marketing Oracle. It's a great program. It's not shiny. There's no push buttons. You're going to go here. You're going to learn the philosophy. You're going to learn everything that you need to do. You're going to do it step by step. And again, my bonus is access to me when you pick it up through my link. So, of course, access to me will be limited. So I can only give so much of my time and still run my business. So there'll only be 10 of those 1 hour sessions available per person, per customer. So first come, first served. Of course, once you purchase it, you'll get a link to download to access the bonus page that I'm providing you, and you'll be able to set that 1 hour call up. We'll link up, we'll get that done, and figure out what the next step is for you as an affiliate Oracle, doing affiliate marketing, and also as a 30-minute marketer. All right. Hope this has been helpful. If it was, give me a thumbs up. Go ahead, look in the description for the link to the affiliate Oracle. Pick it up February 26th, and I will talk to you later. Bye.